N8N Tutorial for Beginners. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open N8N.io in your browser. If you already have an account, log in. If not, create one by clicking the Get Started button located in the top right corner. A new window will appear where you need to enter your full name, company email, confirm your email address, choose a password, and set your account name. After filling out all the required fields, scroll down and click the Start Free 14-Day Trial button. Once your account is set up, you'll be directed to the home page. From there, go to the top right corner and click the Create Workflow button to proceed. When your workflow editor opens, begin by clicking the Add First Step button and choose the option that fits your needs. After adding the first step, you can continue building your workflow by clicking the plus button next to it. This will allow you to select and add any platform or service you want to connect with, integrating it directly into your workflow. After entering all the information required to connect, click the Execute step to create the connection.